If you are a Samsung lover, this is the video for you, and simple unboxing of Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, the most precious piece as on today. And this is the 12 GB RAM and 256 GB internal memory. We are going to show it to you. I have removed all those wrappers from my side, and upon opening this box, what we'll be getting this Samsung S series phone with S24 Ultra. A premium phone would be seen here in this box, and coming out of the box, this would give you a sleek thing. And the most popular model in this phone is titanium black. This is the titanium black, which is very perfect in the color. If you observe, all this is very shining and very sleek in this model. And observe, all the curves are perfectly fit here. And when you get the phone, it will be coming with a cover here. If you can open this cover, automatically the screen would be shown to you, and down below you're getting like this. This is about the phone. And the second thing about in this one, you won't get anything other than just a cable and a screen ejector, or sorry, sim ejector. I'll be showing it to you those things also. If I come out of this one, if you can see, all these are nothing but a Samsung quick start guide. And another side, we'll be having a cable, C type to C type Samsung cable, wherein you have to buy your own adapter for that matter. And like this, I told you the SIM ejector will be here, and these are the things only provided in this unboxing thing. That's so fantastic. I think you'll be getting same kind of accessories when you get your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe this channel.